Are you eager to start a career in the IT help desk but lack experience? In this video, we'll share valuable tips on how to get a help desk job with no experience, including insights from Hire Now, a leading recruitment agency in the IT industry. Discover the essential skills, strategies, and opportunities that can help you break into the help desk field and kickstart your IT career. Understanding the help desk role. Define the responsibilities and duties of a help desk professional, including troubleshooting technical issues, providing customer support, and resolving IT-related problems. Discuss the importance of communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and technical aptitude in the help desk role. Essential skills for help desk jobs. Identify the key skills and qualities that employers look for in entry-level help desk candidates, such as strong communication skills, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn. Discuss the significance of basic IT knowledge, familiarity with common software and hardware, and the ability to work under pressure. Showcasing transferable skills. Explore how to highlight transferable skills from previous roles or experiences that are relevant to the help desk position, such as customer service experience, troubleshooting skills, and teamwork abilities. Provide tips on crafting a compelling CV and cover letter that emphasize your strengths and potential as a help desk professional. Networking and training opportunities. Discuss the importance of networking within the IT community, attending industry events, and participating in online forums or groups to gain insights and connections. Highlight the value of pursuing training courses, certifications, or internships related to IT support to enhance your skills and credibility. Entry-level job search strategies. Share effective job search strategies for finding entry-level help desk positions, including utilizing job boards, company career pages, and recruitment agencies like Hire Now. Explain how Hire Now can assist job seekers in finding help desk opportunities, submitting applications, and navigating the hiring process. Interview preparation tips. Provide guidance on preparing for help desk job interviews, including researching the company, practicing common interview questions, and showcasing your enthusiasm and willingness to learn. Discuss the importance of demonstrating problem-solving skills and a customer-focused approach during the interview. Success stories and testimonials. Share success stories or testimonials from individuals who successfully transitioned into help desk roles with no prior experience, highlighting their journey and achievements. Inspire viewers with real-life examples of career progression and growth in the IT help desk field. Thank you for watching our guide on how to get a help desk job with no experience. Explore job opportunities with Hire Now and embark on your path to success in the IT help desk field. Get in touch with us or go to the website for further details. Info@hirenow.site, www.hirenow.site/